Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to secure your Instagram account. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Now tap on your account here. Then tap on the menu bar. Here tap on Account Center. And now you guys can see under account setting, password and security. Tap on here and then you guys can see these options. These options will help you to secure your Instagram account. Here you guys can see login and recovery option, and after that you guys can see security details. Under the login and recovery you guys can see two-factor authentication. To stop hacking your Instagram account, it is must to turn on two-factor authentication. If you tap on your account, here you guys can see two options to secure your Instagram account. Choose any of them. I'm going to choose this option, SMS or WhatsApp, and that way when you are going to log into your account they will send you a code. Here you guys can see saved logins. I'm going to turn it on. Now under the security checks you guys can see where you logged in. If you tap on here, then you guys can see the details of your login info. In this way you guys can find out about your account, like where you logged in. If you found any insecure logins, then you can report it. Here is the login alerts. If you put the check mark on it, then it will give you notification every time when you logged into your Instagram account. Another thing you can do here is to stop apps and website permission. Some websites collects data after you open it, then it could harm your account. The worst thing is to hack it. If you remember apps that you gave permission, it's okay to turn it on, but if you don't, I suggest you to stop it. Here under browser settings you guys can see the browsing data. You guys can clear cookies and caches from here. Now let's go back, and the last thing you can do is to make your account private. It will make your account more secure. So this is how you guys can secure your Instagram account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.